GLP-1 actually had this glucose lowering effect. And we took that into research and worked on refining the GLP-1 mechanism. And that led to the first launch of a daily injectable product from Novo Nordisk. And during the clinical development and also testing it out in animal, we saw that it had this side effect that that animal and patients lost weight. And 80% of those who live with type 2 diabetes are also struggling with weight. So it's actually a very attractive added benefit. Early on, it was the glucose lowering and the cardiovascular protection that was really the key prescription drivers. And then in parallel, we developed this obesity indication where we have a higher dose version. And when those clinical data were announced, we could show, say, 15% weight loss and a third of patients getting to 20% weight loss. This was really a game changer. If this mechanism indeed does help people living with obesity, and the fact that we are the world's leading diabetes care company and obesity is a leading cause of type 2 diabetes, it would in a way be curing type 2 diabetes. There is more than 100 million Americans living with obesity, so more than 40% of the population. So it is a real issue. We try to get involved when possible in clarifying misunderstandings about the two different products. When media makes wrong representation of the different products, we also try to contact and educate to make sure that products are described in the right way. Obviously, faced with the reality that there's limitations for what we can do to what happens on social media. We have an opportunity of serving millions of patients and having a huge impact on the individual, but also making healthcare systems more resilient. So we invest all we can in building the capacities to support that development.